Hi guys, welcome to my channel TKF Electronics. I hope you are doing well. So today I have received Yamaha model number is RX-V465 model. The problem in this home theater is it's not getting on power. Let's check it out. I will connect the power. I connect it. Let's put it on. I put it on. So let's check the power on. See, it's not getting on. So let's check it out. What's the issue in this? Let's open the cover first. So let's open the cover. I just check it out all the screws so that I do not waste any more time on this. Okay. Drop the power first. I will turn it out. So let's see the power is coming or not over here. Here the main supply is coming here. Okay. So I put on the meter. We'll check the power is coming. I'll put on the power on again. I put on the power. So the incoming is coming or not. Let's check it out. So we'll check the incoming first on AC. Yeah, it's coming. Incoming. Here, show here. So the power is coming, and let's check on the filter, the main filter of rectifier. Yeah, it's here also coming. It's perfect. So let's check the 3 volt is coming or not over the main switch. There is no 3 volt. So it means the problem is from the power supply only. Let's check it on the IC voltage. Here's the IC on pin number 1, 6.5. Pin number 2 is nothing. Pin number 3 is no connection. 4 is 39, and the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is ground. So actually I should get on pin number 2 at least some 4 to 5 volt, but it's not coming. So let's check it out, the ohms and everything. So I took out the power supply PCB outside from the system. So let's check it out, the some components over near IC, whether they are shorted or something like that. So well, we'll now check. As you have seen, there's no power output coming from this power supply, at least 5 volt. So I check it out the IC, there is no voltage output coming. So let's check it out the ohms of the some diode and resistors, they are okay or not. So let's check out the diode over here. So this diode is okay. There are 2 diodes over here. This is also okay, not showing any shorting. This is also okay. There's one diode here. This is also okay. Optocoupler, any shorting in the optocoupler? No. Okay, diode optocoupler also okay, no shorting, nothing. So everything is good over there. Maybe the IC. Let's check out the IC with the new one. We'll replace this old IC with the new one. I got the new IC with me. The IC number is top 154 top 254PN is the IC. So I'll just replace this old IC, the new one, and we'll check it out. Check it out. I removed out the old IC, and I got the new IC with me. It's good that socket is there, IC socket, so we escape from some desoldering and soldering work because of this socket. Actually, the socket is very good, so we can remove it out, we can put it out easily. Okay, Just push it very tight so that it's not loose somewhere. I replace the IC with the new one. So now we'll put it on power. Okay, and check the output voltage also, whether it's coming or not. Well, I'll connect the power. Let's put it on. I put it on power. We'll check the voltage of the switch. Yeah, see 3.2 is I'm getting on the switch, and in the motherboard, digital board, I mean see 5 volt. See here 5.5 volts. So the IC is now okay. So the problem was, I think, the IC itself only. So we'll now let's check out the it's getting on or not. Yeah, see, it's on. Okay, it's working. So the problem is with the IC only. I replaced the faulty IC with the new one. It's getting on. Okay, guys, how is the video? Just leave your comments on the comment box, and before just subscribe so that whenever I upload new video you will receive, and don't forget to press bell icon. Hi guys, take care, bye bye. Put it off now. We'll put it off now. See, it's on. Okay, take care, bye.